Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, let's embark on an exciting journey to our cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Imagine looking up at the sky and spotting a galaxy over 2 million light-years away. Yep, that's Andromeda, also known as Messier 31 or M31. Now what's so special about Andromeda? First off, it's a barred spiral galaxy, much like our Milky Way, but it's even bigger. Andromeda stretches about 220,000 light-years across and contains around 1 trillion stars. That's more than double the number of stars in our own galaxy. The galaxy has an intriguing structure. At its heart lies a bright galactic core with a supermassive black hole surrounded by old stars. Moving outward, you find stunning spiral arms packed with young, hot blue stars and star-forming regions. Andromeda didn't always look this way. It's over 10 billion years old and has grown by merging with smaller galaxies. Even today, it's still swallowing up dwarf galaxies. Talk about a hungry giant. Now, Andromeda isn't alone. It has several satellite galaxies like M32 and M110, which are gradually merging into it. And here's a cool fact. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course. In about 4.5 billion years, they'll merge to form a new galaxy, often called Milkomeda. But don't worry, stars won't collide because of the vast space between them. Want to see Andromeda yourself? It's visible to the naked eye as a faint smudge in the constellation Andromeda. For the best view, use binoculars or a small telescope during autumn and winter months. Why should we care about Andromeda? Studying it helps us understand galaxy formation, dark matter, and black holes. Plus, it offers a glimpse into the future of our Milky Way. Andromeda is not just a galaxy, it's a window into the universe's grand design and our place in it. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. Keep looking up and stay curious.